How to add PayPal account to Google Pay. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To add the PayPal account to your Google Pay, sadly there is no direct way to do so. However, there is a workaround that you can consider. So what you can do is you can link your bank account to both your PayPal and your Google Pay. Then, to move money around it, firstly transfer the fund from your PayPal to your linked bank account. Once the transaction is complete, you can now use your Google Pay to access the fund in your bank account. To link a bank account in your PayPal, what you can do is simply log in into your account, then click on Link a Card option. After which you will see an interface like this. Here, you can enter your debit or credit card number of the designated bank, select the card type, enter the expiration date, security code, and billing address. Once done, tap on the link card option. So this is how you can move money around your PayPal account to Google Pay using your bank account. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.